I'm Anna. I've been an aircraft mechanic for nearly 3 years. Just got transferred, so today's my first day at Hargis Airlines. They just leave the tools lying around?
Hey! The hell you think you're doing?
Hey, I'm the new mechanic. I saw some tools laying around.
Lady, this is my bird. Are you saying I missed something?
I'm just following protocol. I just want to make sure that the flight doesn't get grounded, you know?
Listen, princess. I don't know what kind of outfit you worked out before, but Argus is big boy territory. Understand? One word from me, and you're out of here.
What's she doing here?
Oh my gosh, it's him.
Yo, Phil, we cleared for takeoff?
Like clockwork, gentlemen.
That's a negative. There's damage to the mechanical structure. We're not ready for takeoff.
Anna, is that you? Teacher's pet reduced to twisting wrenches, huh?
Sorry. She's new and a little bit paranoid. Just ignore her.
Walk me through.
There's stress fractures due to the hard landing. Damage exceeds maximum threshold.
You call this clockwork? Fix it. Now. I love it when you get technical.
We are dancing in the kitchen.
Sit background tonight.
I love it when it's just you and me.
Come home early tonight.
All done. All clear, Captain. Ready for takeoff.
Excellent. Good work.
Summer power, daisy flowers. I'll let you put the chain around my neck. Undercover, you forever.
Look, our new little mechanic's blushing. Can't blame her, though. Who wouldn't sooner for Captain Perfect over here? Seriously, though, why is a girl that pretty getting all grimy and oily doing manual labor? It's gonna ruin her skin.
Hey, maybe she just likes it. Or maybe she wants to prove that women can outperform men in the field.
What's that? It's my good luck charm.
You think you won just because the captain backed you today? Watch yourself, sweetheart. This job eats newbies alive.
Guess we'll see about that.
So, transfer to my airline, huh? Why didn't you tell me?
I haven't seen you in days. How could I?
Yeah, that's true. There's no way to magically contact me from anywhere, anytime. Are you adjusting well?
Mm-hmm.
Have you eaten yet? How sweet. You waited for me. Well, stand by, mechanic. This won't take long.
I can't believe I'm actually married to this man.
To your first day at Hargis Airlines. Cheers.
Mom, you didn't tell me this was a blind date.
Well, you would have refused. You graduated from Devonshire Aviation Academy as well. Did you and my Dennis ever?
Anna was in aviation maintenance technology.
Oh, perfect. He flies his planes, and she can keep it running smoothly.
Why is Dennis's family in such a hurry to marry him off? He was a legend at the academy, had all kinds of girls chasing after him. What am I even doing here?
All right, I guess we'll give you to some time. Lock him down tonight.
got something. My mother really likes you.
So, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is, we could get married. It's quite simple, really. My family wants me to settle down, and you're my mother's top choice. Your family wants you to get married too, right? Otherwise, you can't keep your job, and you clearly like it.
How does he know so much about my situation?
And frankly, I'm your best option. I'm a pilot who respects mechanics. We move in similar circles, and I have no undisclosed conditions.
He's right. Good family, great income, marriage means no more nagging from my mom, and I keep my job.
So, will you marry me?
One question. Why me?
You remind me of somebody. You remind me of somebody.
Here we are again, just
It was love at first
in the
sight.
dark, watching box sets.
And it never
I see
stopped.
your face in the glow. Do you see me? 'Cause something
Of
has
course.
changed in the way
Someone better.
that I feel. Did you notice?
Bring your
Are we
documents tomorrow.
still just
We'll get married right away.
friends? Or is it only
Wait,
me? And if words aren't meant to break your bones, why does
We did it.
hurt when you say
I'm actually married.
I need to feel,
Proof for the Paris.
I need to know. Just say the word.
You're mine now, Anna.
We got married. Then Dennis left for recurrent training. Now he's back, and it's time to face my new role as his wife.
Well, early flight tomorrow. We should get some rest.
Is he suggesting we sleep together? Let's get some rest then. I kick in my sleep, so maybe you should...
Don't worry. I'm a deep sleeper.
No, I meant...
It's okay. I'll take the couch. Good night.
I'm just a placeholder for his real love. My turn to be captain. Was that a dream? Good. He's still asleep.
Everything that I thought was real is falling apart. But it's just a paper cut from your paper heart. Your paper heart. If you wanna fall in love, you gotta throw the darts.
See something you like? What are you looking at?
I'll go make breakfast.
Get in.
What do people see us?
She still doesn't want to go public about this.
I got it.
Dennis! What a coincidence. Anna, what are you doing in Dennis's car? Anna, what are you doing in Dennis's car?
Captain, if she's bothering you, I could talk to Captain Petlock. Actually, was my rideshare.
Huh. A captain moonlighting as a rideshare driver.
Hey, it's a tough economy. And student loans are a nightmare.
That makes sense. You wouldn't be giving a ride to some random mechanic otherwise.
Mechanics deserve equal respect, Bella. I believe in a hierarchy in the workplace.
That's not what I meant.
I've gotta go. I've got work to do.
Actually, I think it's cool that you do rideshare. It's great for the environment. Actually, since we're going to the airport afterwards.
We're not.
Well, your flight ends late tonight. You know, I was thinking maybe we could get drinks and...
No thanks.
Hey, nice to see Harvey Sarah has some female mechanics.
Oh, introductions are in order. This is Anna, Hargis Air's newest flight surgeon. And this is Evan, my new co-pilot.
Wow. Hey, Denny, are all the women here this gorgeous?
Anna's not just a pretty face. She's got a flawless track record of the last 3 years. This year's Best Mechanic Award, definitely hers.
Oh, wow. Impressive. I love that for you. Hey, and you know, Denny, he rarely praises anybody like this, so, you two must have something pretty special.
No, we're just colleagues. So you two know each other?
Oh yeah, Evan and I go way back. We were best friends in high school, but we went to different academies, never got to fly together. And he just moved here.
And now here we are, reunited in the cockpit. It's funny, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, hey.
Oh.
It's like... There we go.
Oh, Philip, can I ask you a question?
Me? Yeah, sure.
So, Evan, the new co-pilot, know anything about him?
Yeah, all the ladies are swooning after that guy. You're into him too?
No, I was just curious.
Yeah, he's some sort of prodigy. Got scouted straight to Southern Air out of the academy. Clean flight record. About as good as Captain Petlock.
Really?
Ever heard of the Sky Twins? That's them. Thick as thieves ever since high school.
He took a demotion? Was there like a scandal or something at Southern Air?
I don't know. But get this. I heard that he requested to work under Dennis specifically. Pay cut and all.
Interesting. Could Dennis be gay?
What was that?
Nothing. Thanks.
Looking for someone? Your husband, maybe?
Shh, people will talk.
I say let them. What?
Dude, what is going on with you and my sister?
With Bella? Nothing.
Don't play dumb, Dennis. Come on, she's single, you're single. Give her a chance.
I'm already into somebody.
Since when?
This obsession of his.
Whoa, what the hell? I just remembered. Management said they're replacing you as my co-pilot. Said they caught you slacking off.
No way. Wait, unless... Shit. Did they see me napping on Tuesday? I need to go talk to management. Okay. Dennis, come on, move your ass. No one said anything about replacing me. They didn't even know what I was talking about.
Oh, good. False alarm.
Status?
Minor cabin issues. Almost done.
Where's Anna?
Got her unclogging a toilet. The ladies' work, am I right?
Bathroom duty. Such a waste of a pretty face.
Women are just naturally better suited for cleaning. Leave the real repairs to the men.
Another remark like that, I'll have you demoted to baggage handler.
Just joking, Cap.
All set for takeoff.
Good work. Our little angel.
Plus safe. Big storm coming. Dennis! I got everyone graduation gifts. This one's for you. It's for good luck. When you fly, up there.
Shit. Storm cell. Dead ahead.
Okay, stay calm. Dennis will be fine. They train for these situations all the time.
Where's... Never mind. You, with me, now.
What's going on?
Captain Petlock's plane hit severe turbulence. Total engine failure. We're on emergency standby.
Warning. Right engine failure. Altitude decreasing. Danger.
Can't lose another engine, Will. With the terrain.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We encounter severe weather, but I promise. It's you all home. Remain seated.
Anna, if we survive this, the whole world will know you're my soulmate. Anna, our life together is just beginning. God, please, let me make it back to my wife.
Where are they? Which runway?
Tower, this is maintenance. Where is Captain Petlock's flight?
Mayday declared. Diverting to the emergency field.
Don't you dare die on me.
At this time, we have you leave 3431 en route responding from the Sac River.
Captain 0.4, right, that'll maintain 2 dubs.
I never told you. Never.
I love it when you get technical.
Please, please.